Hi, this is Francis Sideco with TIRIAS Research. I'm here with Willard too from Marvell. He's going to be showing us one of their demos here at CES 2024 around the central compute platform.
Thank you, Francis. So again, I'm Willard too. I'm focused on the custom compute side of the business in automotive. And what we have here is a proof of concept where we're demonstrating the ability to manage multiple workloads. And we're emphasizing our capability using a standard infrastructure device, Octeon 10. And what we're doing is running different types of software workloads. Obviously, over-the-air updates are very important to software-defined radio. And so we're utilizing communication and simulating the communication with the cloud. And then, of course, the key part we're doing here is that we're really good at packetizing and moving and securing data. And so we have accelerators to do that specifically. So when you look at TLS and IPsec, and here we're moving about almost 70 gig of data that we're compressing. Now, normally that would burn a lot more, consume a lot more energy. And here you can see it's only using about 16.5 watts. So that's a key part that we're kind of trying to show our capability and our skill to do that. And again, our focus really in the future, maybe looking in 28 and beyond, is really to start looking at the next generation products where people want to customize. I mean, the market now is really looking for a lot more choices, and I think there's not enough supply in that space right now. And then in the future here, we're using also showing like the Ethernet camera ingest and showing how that'll be a future. And of course, in the future as well, we're going to be able to do data storage. And storage is going to be very important as you look at things like shadow mode. You know, deployment of vehicles in the future, as you centralize more and we get more software-defined features, they're going to want to put shadow mode out there so that they can collect and validate the next generation release of the software.
So is this central compute platform primarily for safety critical applications, or can it also be used for less safety critical, maybe IVI or maybe some of the less critical cockpit type applications?
Absolutely. So in the today mostly people tend to look at still kind of domain in some level. So you got the ADAS domain, you got the IVI, and you've got the gateways, and those are kind of separated. And the market wants to move to a much more centralized solution. And, maybe ultimately one packet device might be multiple dies inside the package, but that's where the industry's moving. And so this is kind of demonstrating our chops and our capability to kind of help address all those type of integrations and those capabilities.
So are you guys going to be putting out your own central compute chipset as well, or are you enabling kind of some of your other partners to kind of put that out?
Our focus really is looking at custom.
Yeah.
So we want the customers to really be invested in wanting to do something that's unique and differentiated.
Right.
And so, we're not going to probably be the guy that's out there doing standard.
Yeah, you're just helping them do that custom design and so forth.
Yes.
Are you guys as part of the design team, or maybe the design team for your customer, how are you guys dealing with the varying levels of like ASIL B or ASIL D?
We're going to go for certification. We'll have a
that's going to be part of your
it.
custom service.
Absolutely.
Okay. Perfect. Great. Thank you.
Thank you.